So let's say you want to go around and select out similar objects. Then what you can do is you can go around onto the one tool and click right here, and you can see that it selects out this particular sky right here. So it only selects out similar colors, as you can see right here, but it only selected out this area. So what you can do is you can go around over here, increase out the tolerance level right here, just like this, and then you can see that it selects that area out right here, just like that. So that is what you have. So let's just go around and right click, and let's say layer via cut right here, just like this. And what happens is that the sky is separated, as you can see right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around onto the background right here, and then go for like, let's say for example, onto the one select right here, just like this, magic one select. Now I can go around and select this out, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, decrease out the tolerance level, just like this. And if I were to go around, you can see that it roughly selects out all of the desert right here. You can also go around and press add right here, just like this, and select out these areas right here that has been missed as well. And you can go around and deselect the areas. So let's just go around, click on the camel right here, and then I'm going to go around and click on this right here, just like this, and I'm going to deselect the camel and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can still go around and then work around with this, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and do layer via cut right here, just like this, then you can see that this is what you have right here, just like this right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with one select inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.